In this example, we can see customer count, average customer spend, and net profit margin for all stores. The KPI charts above show the budgeted amounts and the variance to actuals in total and by percent. The three crosstabs slice data for all stores by location, by maturity, and by store size. Additional store segregation can be analyzed by simply adding more store dimensions or attributes. Here is another way to look at the same data in a web report. With just a few clicks, we can quickly see the details behind any of these numbers. Let's see the specific numbers around new store sales. By simply clicking and selecting level, I can now break new store sales down and see that it belongs to store 34 in Arizona, store 35 in Washington, and store 36 in California.